This is the Pneumatic Cylinder Force Calculator, which determines the force output of pneumatic cylinders based on bore size and operating pressure. Let's walk through the inputs. First, we have a unit system dropdown, where you can select either Imperial using PSI, inches, and pounds force, or metric using bar, millimeters, and newtons. For this demonstration, I'm using Imperial units. Next, enter the bore diameter of your cylinder, then input your operating pressure. Finally, there's the friction factor or efficiency field, which defaults to 0.85, but can be adjusted between 0.1 and 1.0 to account for real-world losses. Here's a worked example. With a bore diameter of 10 inches, operating pressure of 10 psi, and friction factor of 0.85, clicking Calculate Force gives us these results. The piston area calculates to 78.55398 square inches. The theoretical force, which assumes perfect conditions, is 785.4 pounds force. The effective force, which accounts for the friction factor we entered, is 667.6 pounds force. This effective force is what you'll actually get from your cylinder in real applications. This calculator saves you from manual calculations and helps properly size cylinders for your pneumatic systems. Find the link in the description below.